I often hear this, Raj, I gave a great interview, but I did not get the job. Chances are you just gave correct answers, but average answers. The truth is, the job market is so competitive, just saying the average stuff will not get you the job. Let's understand this with an example. One popular question is, how will you handle scaling of your applications in a high traffic day? Or simply, how will you scale your AWS applications? Chances are you will say, I will use an application load balancer to spread traffic across EC2s. I will use auto scaling group with the EC2s and which can scale based on certain amount of CPU, memory, etc. Guess what? Everyone will say this because at this point, this is very average. To delight the interviewer, you need to say extra things. So a good answer could be, I will use application load balancer configured with auto scaling group. In addition, based on the burst rate of the traffic, I will also pre-warm the load balancer if needed. I will use advanced tactics, right? Schedule scaling or warm pool to handle high burst of traffic. I'll also use lightweight AMI for the EC2. Another important factor is using the right type of EC2 for the workload. There are over 800 EC2 instances to choose from, and for that, I will use Compute Optimizer to understand what kind of EC2 is perfect for my workload. For example, if my workload requires more memory, so I should be using memory optimized EC2. Perhaps I am running some graphical workload. I will use special type of GPU instances for that. In addition to that, for connections between my application and database, I will use RDS proxy. And finally, I will be mindful for my account limits. If needed, I will request AWS to increase the scaling limits. Another bad example I hear is often candidates will say, I'm just gonna go to Kubernetes or serverless to handle high scale. Going to Kubernetes or serverless do not make your applications highly scalable by default. Whatever challenges you face with EC2 application load balancer, you face similar challenges with Kubernetes and Lambda. All right, keep learning and keep rocking.